Hi, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. This is Abdul, your Chinese language instructor. I am pleased to introduce you the new series which will be helpful to increase your listening capabilities of Chinese language. Please get ready your notebook and a pen. In every episode, at first you will listen twice one paragraph in Chinese. Listen carefully and try to remember the details told in the paragraph. After that, you will get 5 questions. Write down the answers of these 5 questions on your notebook. To examine your work, find the solved key in the description link. Each question contains 2 marks. Check your answers and share your results with me and with friends in the comments. Check out of 10 how much marks you gain. So let's move on.
我听说，下个星期莉莉小姐打算来巴基斯坦。4年前她来巴基斯坦了，那时候她不会说英语，所以她需要翻译者。那时候我帮助她了，现在她会说英语，可能这次她不需要我的服务。我听说，下个星期莉莉小姐打算来巴基斯坦。4年前她来巴基斯坦了，那时候她不会说英语，所以她需要翻译者。那时候我帮助她了，现在她会说英语，可能这次她不需要我的服务。
Question number 1.
谁打算来巴基斯坦？谁打算来巴基斯坦？
Question number 2.
以前莉莉会不会说英语？以前莉莉会不会说英语？
Question number 3.
上次谁帮助莉莉小姐？上次谁帮助莉莉小姐？
Question number 4.
现在她会说英语吗？现在她会说英语吗？
Question number 5.
这次她要我的服务吗？这次她要我的服务吗？
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.